Before we start, what you're about to see is something Tesla doesn't want you to know. Something happening right now in the Nevada desert that's going to change your life forever. I'm warning you right now, this isn't your typical factory tour. This is the truth they're hiding. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. If you want to stay ahead of what's coming, hit that subscribe button right now, because what I'm about to show you is just the beginning. Ready? Let's go. There's a building in the middle of nowhere, so big you can see it from outer space. I'm not joking, satellites pick it up. Inside this building, something's happening. Something quiet, something most people don't even notice. Every 45 seconds, a brand new Tesla rolls out. But here's what's messed up. Fewer and fewer human hands are touching it. The workers, they're disappearing, vanishing, being erased one by one, and nobody's talking about it. This is the Tesla Gigafactory, and what Elon Musk is doing here, it's not just about building cars, bro. It's about building a future where you're not needed anymore. Sparks, Nevada, middle of the desert, nothing but sand and heat for miles. Then one day in 2014, Elon Musk shows up with $5 billion and says, I'm going to build the biggest factory on Earth, right here. People thought it was crazy. Building in the middle of nowhere, no infrastructure, no workers nearby, just empty desert. But he did it anyway. Today, this factory is over 5 million square feet. That's bigger than 100 football fields under one roof, the largest building on the planet. But that's not the scary part. The scary part? Walk inside and you'll see it. Entire sections with no humans, just robots, hundreds of them working 24/7, never stopping, never sleeping, never complaining. And every year, there's fewer people and more machines. In 2018, 10,000 workers had jobs here. Today, 7,000, and production doubled. Do the math, man. That's 3,000 people gone, replaced. But it gets worse, way worse. Let me show you something that'll blow your mind. This is the battery production line. 5 years ago, this line needed 50 human workers per shift, 50 people with families, with bills to pay, with lives. Today, 5 workers. That's it. What happened to the other 45? They got replaced by robots. Robots with orange arms that move faster than your eye can follow. Robots that never get tired, never make mistakes, never ask for raises. Watch this one right here. It's welding a battery pack. 3,000 welds. Has to be perfect or the car explodes. A human welder, maybe 100 welds per hour. This robot, 3,000 perfect welds in 90 seconds, every single time. And here's what keeps me up at night. These robots are learning. They're getting smarter. They're teaching themselves to work faster. 6 months ago, this robot was 30% slower. Nobody reprogrammed it, it just learned. It watched, it optimized, it improved itself. We're not just competing with robots anymore. We're competing with robots that get better every single day, and we can't keep up. Now, here's where the story gets really dark. Walk through certain sections of this factory and it's like a ghost town. Wide corridors with nobody there, just machines humming in the darkness. Some areas, the lights are off. Why? Because robots don't need lights. They work in complete darkness using sensors and infrared. Empty break rooms, closed cafeterias, parking lots with thousands of empty spaces. The factory is producing more than ever, but it's getting emptier every day. And Elon, he knows exactly what he's doing. Back in 2018, he said something interesting. He admitted that too much automation was a mistake. He said humans are underrated. That gave people hope, made them think, okay, maybe we still have value, maybe we're still needed. But that was 2018. Fast forward to 2025. Those same sections he said needed humans, now fully automated, 0 people. Elon figured it out. The robots just needed time to catch up, and now they have. Tesla just announced a hiring freeze. No new factory workers, but they're buying more robots every single month. The message is clear, man. Humans are temporary. Robots are forever. But yo, it's not just Tesla. That's what makes this terrifying. Ford just announced their own mega factory, $11 billion, even more automated than Tesla. GM, Volkswagen, every car company on Earth is doing the same. Why? Because they have to. If they don't automate, they die. The The economics are brutal. A human worker costs $60,000 a year with benefits. A robot costs $50,000 once and works for 10 years. You do that math, it's not even close. So every company is racing to replace humans as fast as possible. Not because they're evil, because they have no choice. And that means millions of jobs are about to disappear. Factory workers, warehouse workers, truck drivers, retail workers, even office jobs. If a robot can do it cheaper, the robot gets the job, period. This isn't coming, bro. It's already here. It's happening right now. While you're watching this video, someone just lost their job to a machine, and it's accelerating. Now, let me show you the end game, the thing that changes everything. Tesla just partnered with NVIDIA, the biggest AI company on Earth, to build something they're calling the AI Megafactory. This isn't a factory that uses AI. This is a factory that is AI. No human supervisors, no human managers, no humans making decisions. Just artificial intelligence analyzing thousands of data points per second, predicting problems before they happen, optimizing production better than any human ever could. The AI can predict when a machine will fail 3 weeks before it actually breaks. It can spot microscopic defects invisible to human eyes. It can redesign the entire production process on the fly. And it learns. Every single day, it gets smarter, more efficient, more capable. Picture this, a factory that runs itself, that improves itself, that doesn't need us at all. Doors that never open because nobody walks through them. Lights that stay off because machines see in the dark. Temperatures set to levels that would kill a human. This is the future Elon's building, a future where factories operate beyond human capability, beyond human understanding. And once it's built, every other company will copy it. They'll have to. By 2030, just 5 years from now, Tesla wants to produce 20 million cars a year with half the workers they have today. Half, the huff, workers. That's not a prediction, that's the plan. So here's the question nobody wants to ask. What happens to us? What happens to the workers, to the millions of people whose jobs are being automated away? They'll find new jobs. People say that. They always say that. But doing what? If robots can build cars, they can do most jobs. If AI can run factories, it can run most businesses. We're not creating new jobs fast enough. The math doesn't work. It never has. And here's the really scary part. This isn't just about factory workers anymore. AI is coming for lawyers, accountants, doctors, programmers. Jobs we thought were safe? They're not. Elon talks about universal basic income, about giving people money when robots take all the jobs. But that's not a solution. That's admission of defeat. That's saying humans are obsolete, so here's some cash to keep quiet. What's our purpose? What's our value? What do we contribute? Nobody has answers, man. We're building this future without thinking about what it means, and we're running out of time to figure it out. Right now, there are 2 million Teslas on the road, each one built with less human involvement than the last. The Gigafactory never sleeps, never stops, just keeps producing, day after day, year after year. The revolution is silent. That's why it's so dangerous. No protests, no headlines, just quiet replacement, one worker at a time, one job at a time. You walk by the factory, everything looks normal, but the parking lot's getting emptier, the break rooms are closing, the humans are fading away. And most people don't even notice until it's too late, until it's their job, their industry, their turn. This is the silent revolution. It's happening right now in Nevada, in Texas, in factories across America, across the world. And the scariest part? It's unstoppable. The economics are too good, the efficiency too high, the pressure too intense. So what do we do about it? I don't have all the answers, but I know this. We need to talk about it. We need to face it. We need to figure it out together. That's why you need to subscribe to this channel right now. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning of the story. What's coming next is going to make this look small. The robots are winning, and we are running out of time. The question is, are you ready?